Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Let's draw with me kids today with black marker. Draw now a sketch with me and see carefully what I am drawing today kids. Guess now and see carefully what is this. Wow, today I am drawing a beautiful cartoon sketch. And see what I am drawing. Wow, this is a beautiful ice cream cup. This is a beautiful cartoon ice cream cup. Draw now kids with me step by step. It's very easy to draw and coloring in ice cream cup. Now dark brown color in chocolate in ice cream. Next light pink color cream on ice cream. Wow, tasty yummy ice cream. Next I am doing yellow color in ice cream. Mango ice cream. This is mango ice cream. Mango ice cream. Now I am doing color on cream on ice cream. This is cream on ice cream. Now coloring with the kids. Now I am doing dark blue color in ice cream. Blueberry ice cream. Tasty yummy. Blueberry ice cream. See how I am doing coloring with. Now coloring with step by step. Color. No, this purple color. Purple color green. See how I'm doing color shade. Red color is cherry. Or cherry on ice cream. Now dark brown color. Last part of ice cream is chocolate ice cream. Chocolate color in ice cream. Wow. Ice cream. It's very easy to drawing a sketch of ice cream and coloring. Now grey color in cup of ice cream. Now coloring with me kids step by step. Doing grey color in cup of ice cream. Cup. Ice cream cup. Now designing with this grey color. This is grey color in cup left side. Now continuously coloring. Next I am doing pink color in middle part of ice cream cup. Middle part of ice cream cup. See carefully kids how I am doing pink color in middle part of ice cream cup. Wow, this is looking rainbow like ice cream cup. So many colors in ice cream and ice cream cup. This is like a rainbow. Wow, so beautiful, cute cartoon ice cream cup drawing sketch.